Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 12. A diameter of a circle C1 has endpoints -3, -5, 7, and 3. Okay. The endpoints of the diameter are -3, -5, and 7, 3. As you know that the midpoint of the diameter is the center. So we will find out the midpoint of these 2 points for center. -3 plus 7, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And -5 plus 3 -2 divided by 2 -1. This one is the center. Now, if this one is a circle, these are the 2 points, -3, -5, 7, 3. This one is the midpoint, 2, -1. Now, the length from midpoint to the circumference of the circle is the radius. We will find out the distance of these 2 points. That is, radius is equal to under the root 2 minus 7 whole square plus -1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 minus 7 minus 5, 25, and plus 16 under root 41 is the radius. So the equation is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square. This one is the equation of the circle. We can further simplify this one. Is equal to 41. Now, next part. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
सर इक्वेशन इसी फॉर्म में लिखनी है ना, जनरल फॉर्म में तो नहीं लिखनी है.
No, if it is not mentioned that, then you can write the equation in this form, in distance point distance form, or in the general form. It's up to you.
Okay, sir.
The circle C1, the circle C1 the circle C1 is translated by 8, 4 to give the equation of the circle C2 as shown in the diagram. The circle C1 is translated by the vector 8, 4. Now, the center of the circle, this previous circle, this one, has also been translated with the translation vector 8, 4. Now the new center is -2 - 1 plus 8, 4 is equal to 10 and 3. This one is the new center. When we will, in translation, the size doesn't change. So the radius is the same, that is under root 41. The new equation is x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to under root 41 whole square. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the next part. The next part is the two circles intersect at R and S. The two circles intersect at R and S. The two equations of the two circles, we will write down these equations. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 41, and the second circle is x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 41. The two circles intersect at R and S. Yes. Find the equation of R and S. Now, there is a very important rule. This one is the center of first circle. This one is the center of second circle. This one is the line joining the 2 points. If the two circles have the same radius, then the line joining the points is the perpendicular bisector of the two centers. This circle has center as 2 minus 1, and the second circle has center 10 and 3. Now we will find out the equation of perpendicular bisector of 2 minus 1 and 10 3. Two minus 1, 10 and 3. The midpoint of 2 minus 1, 10 and 3 is 2 plus 10, 12. Divided by 2 is 6. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. This one is the midpoint. The gradient of these 2 points is 3 plus 1, 4. 10 minus 2, 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Gradient of the perpendicular bisector is minus 2. So the equation of the perpendicular bisector, that is RS, is y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 6. Is there any confusion?
सर मैंने दोनों इक्वेशंस को इक्वल पुट किया था तब भी सेम आंसर आया।
बेटा ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम है, लंबा काम है कि नहीं है ये, यू शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ दिस रूल। वो हो जाएगा, उससे भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो क्वेश्चन बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा आपका।
ओके सर।
You can further simplify this one. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 12 plus 1. The final equation is y is equal to minus 2x plus 13 rs. The equation of rs is this. Now, next part is
सर दोनों सर्कल्स की इक्वेशन को इक्वेट करने से आरएस लाइन की इक्वेशन आ गई है, वो पता नहीं कैसे आई है।
तो बेटा पॉइंट ऑफ rs लाइन की इक्वेशन rs क्या है? इज द आर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन। तो जब आप दोनों को इकट्ठा करेंगे तो आपके पास rs की इक्वेशन ही आएगी। यू विल गेट द वो इक्वेशन आपके पास आ जाएगी जिसके ऊपर r और s लाई करते हैं।
ओके सर।
लेकिन इसका इजी मेथड ये है। द डी
यस
पार्ट
सर।
इज the d part is show that r and s satisfy this equation. R and S are the point of intersection of the line RS and one of the two circles. जी उमर,
सर डी पार्ट बताओ।
डी पार्ट जी डी पार्ट इसी तरह होगा ना बेटा कि RS is the if we will intersect R and S and one of the equation of the circle, then we will get this equation in
यस
part
सर,
number D.
इक्वेशन के अंदर वाई की वैल्यू पुट कर दें।
जी ठीक है बेटा। is now
यस।
we will put this value into the one of the equation of the circle. X minus 10 whole square plus minus 2x plus 13 minus 3 whole square is equal to 41. X square minus 20x plus 100 plus 10 minus 2x whole square is equal to 41. X square minus 20x plus 100 plus 100 minus 40x plus 4x square minus 41 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x square 5x square minus 60x plus 159 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Any confusion? जी
नो सर।
अभी आबिर कह रहे हैं कि डी पार्ट को दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। बेटा डी पार्ट में कह रहा है कि वी कैन ऑब्टेन द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ आर एंड एस फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन। अब ये इक्वेशन आर और एस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम किस तरह फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? बाय इंटरसेक्टिंग द टू कर्व्स। दोनों कर्व्स को अगर हम इंटरसेक्ट करवा दें फिर हमारे पास वी कैन गेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ आर एंड एस। और the simplified version is if we will intersect the line RS y is equal to minus 2x plus 13 with one of the circles, then we can also get the coordinates for R and S. Point of intersection आएंगे ना, चाहे RS if we को पहले सर्कल से इंटरसेक्ट करवा दें, RS को दूसरे सर्कल से इंटरसेक्ट करवा दें या दोनों सर्कल्स को आपस में इंटरसेक्ट करवा दें, तो आपके पास आर एस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आने चाहिए। तो मैंने आर एस को दूसरे सर्कल के साथ इंटरसेक्ट करवा दिया, तो मेरे पास यहाँ पर इक्वेशन आ गई है इसकी। जी आबिर, the equation of the circle with center C is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle and the coordinates of the center. जी बताएं जी के coordinates of the center क्या होंगे?
4 minus 2.
जी 4 and minus 2. Coefficient of x divided minus into coefficient of x divided by 2 minus minus 8 over 2 comma minus 4 over 2. ये सेंटर आ गया. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी. जी क्या है? इसमें हो जाएगा 4 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 2 स्क्वायर. सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स का स्क्वायर और ऐड करना है माइनस सी. हियर सी इज माइनस 5. व्हाट्स द फाइनल आंसर?
5.
ये ले. अब इसके सेकंड पार्ट में कह रहा है द पॉइंट पी लाइज ऑन द सर्कल. ठीक है. Show that the equation of tangent to the circle at P is 4y. First of all, we will sketch the diagram. This one is the circle. This one is center 4 minus 2. This one is one point on the circle, which is 1, 2. And this one is the tangent to the circle. We want to find out the equation of this tangent. As you know that these two are perpendicular. We will find out the gradient of the radial line. M is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 over 1 minus 4 minus 3. This one is the gradient of the radial line. As radial line and tangent line are perpendicular, so the gradient of the tangent line is 3 over 4 negative reciprocal. One point of the tangent is 1, 2 and the gradient is 3 over 4. So the equation of the tangent is y minus 2 is equal to 3 over 4 into x minus 1. Y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4 plus 2. Y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 5 over 4. 4y is equal to 3x plus 5 is the required equation of the tangent to the circle at point P1. Now we will move to the next part. The point Q also lies on the circle with PQ parallel to x-axis. The point Q also lies on the circle. The point Q also lies on the circle with PQ parallel to x-axis. With PQ parallel to x-axis. This one is point Q. Now, if a line is parallel to x-axis, then its y coordinate is same. P has the y coordinate 2, so Q also has the y coordinate 2. Now we will find out the x coordinate of the point Q. The point Q lies on the circle. The equation of the circle is x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. ऊपर भी दी हुई है उसने वैसे. We will put y is equal to 2 into this equation to get the value of x. X minus 4 whole square plus y is equal to 2, 4, 16, 25. X minus 4 whole square is equal to 9. X minus 4 is equal to 3 and x minus 4 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to 1. 1 is already given, so the value of x is 7 for Q. So the coordinates of Q are 7, 2. Now the next part. The coordinates of Q are given. The tangent to the circle at P has the equation 4y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now the next part, D part. The tangent to the circle at P and Q meet at T. Okay. Find the coordinates of T. This one is the tangent to the circle at Q, and these two meet each other at point T. We want to find out the coordinates of T. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at Q and then intersect both the tangents. You will get the coordinates of T. मुईद, दोबारा बताऊं, रिफ्रेश करूं इसको. जी बेटा. We want to find out the coordinates of T. The tangent at Q meets the other tangent at T, the red one. We have the equation of TP. We will find out the equation of TQ. And then we will find out the point of intersection of the two tangents. We can find out the gradient of CQ. Gradient of CQ is equal to minus 4 over minus 3. 4 over 3. कोई mistake होगी तो बता दीजिएगा बेटा. Now, gradient of QT is minus 3 by 4. Equation of QT is y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 over 4 x minus 7 minus 3 over 4x plus 21 over 4 plus 2 minus 3 over 4x plus 29 over 4 is the equation of the other tangent TQ. Now we will solve the two equations to find out the point of intersection. From the equation TP, we have y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 5 over 4. From the second equation, minus 3 over 4x plus 29 over 4. This one is 6 over 4x is equal to 24 over 4. X is equal to 4. And the point y is 4y is equal to 3 into 4 plus 5, 17 over 4. So the coordinates of the point T are 4, 17 over 4.